everyone, this is the Explorer, and today we're going to be exploring how to make a toy hammer out of 2 toilet paper rolls. And we're going to get started now. So take one of your toilet paper rolls and cut it in one side. And then after that, you can make it a bit smaller because this is going to be the hammer handle. So this is the size I did. So we're gonna use duct tape and make it this small. You wanna make it smaller than this side. Make sure you don't make it too small or else it will be bad. I have the duct tape and I'm gonna make this. Hold it tight and make sure it's not. Hold it correctly and arrange it. And then use the duct tape. There we go. And then do this. And here we have the handle. So to make sure that this comes onto this like this, so we need to make this a bit curved. So I'm going to be doing something like this. So you want to make this side a bit curved, and I'm going to make this side a bit curved as well. Like this. And now we're going to see if this is fitting correctly onto this. And then what you want to do is take 2 small strips of the duct tape and stick it on this side and on this side. So I'm going to be doing that right now. So here we have it over here. And do this. And do it like this. So half is still there. And put it right there. And try and stick it onto that other one. And I have another one over here to stick on the other side so that it's stable and it doesn't come off. And I'm going to be using another one over here to make sure that it doesn't come off. And there you have it, guys. A good toy hammer made out of just 2 toilet paper rolls and some duct tape. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell for more videos. Bye!